What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll be showing you how to draw DogDay Sprunki. Let's begin today's lesson. In the center of the page and draw two large circles for the eyes. Now I want to start with the one on the left. We're going to start from the very top, go all the way around towards the bottom of the eye, and then back up towards the top. Let's leave a small gap in between the eyes and draw the same size circle on the right. So we'll start by lining up the top, bring that down towards the same height, and then back up. Now we're going to draw two smaller circles on the inside of each eye. So let's start back on the left. Going all the way around. And then we'll do the same thing on the right. And then I'll switch to my thick black marker and fill the outside of the eyes. Now I'm going to go in between the eyes along the bottom and draw a curve for the nose. We're going to go up and then down. From the ends, draw two straight angle lines coming down and in towards the center point. And then we'll fill the nose in black. Let's draw in the mouth. We're going to start right in the center point. Start with the left side, coming down and then up. Go back to the center and do the same thing going up towards the right. Let's connect the ends with a large curve for the mouth. We're going to open this up, coming down, across, and then up. Now we're going to come down towards the bottom and draw on the tongue. Let's start over on the right. We're going to go up, across, and then down to create a fold. Let's step back, go around the bottom, and then up. Now step back and draw the back side of the tongue. And again, we're going to switch back to our thick black marker and fill the inside of the mouth. And we want to go in behind that tongue. Now from here, we're going to draw a large circle going around the face. Let's start at the very top in the middle. Start with the left side. Going all the way around. Come down underneath the mouth and then in towards the center. Let's go back up to the top and draw on the right side. Let's go underneath the eyes and add a fold. We're going to go up around the mouth and then down. And we'll add that split in the center of the head. We're going to add a slight curve. Let's start from the top left side, then it's in towards the middle, and then down towards the nose. Let's add two curves across the top for the eyebrows. We're going to go up and then down towards the side. Now with the head in place, let's tuck the ears in behind. We're starting on the left side. We're going to bend this up, across, and then out. Line that up on the right. Let's draw the back side of the ear. From the top of this curve, we're going to go up, down, and then out. Let's round out the end of the ear, come down, and then bend that in towards the side of the head. Now with the head complete, we're going to move down and draw the side of the body. Let's start over on the left side. We're going to draw a straight angle line, coming down and out towards the bottom. Let's go over towards the right and do the same thing, coming down and out towards the same height. And I'll flatten off the bottom with a straight line. Now going to the center of the body, let's draw a circle along the top, all the way around. And you want to surround the outside of that circle with a series of bumps, leaving a small gap on the inside. From the top corners of the body, draw a straight angle line coming down and then in. Now I'm going to add that tail coming out from the right side of the body. Let's start right in the center of this line. Start with a curve going out and then up. Round at the end of the tail and then bend that in. Now let's draw a series of bumps coming back in towards the body to add a fur effect. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a cartoon illustration of DogDay Sprunki. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.